Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about dictionaries in Python programming language. And I'm extremely sorry for not making videos from the past 4 weeks as I was busy with my professional work. And from now on, I'll be making videos regularly. So going into the topic. First, what is a dictionary? Dictionary is one type of data structure in Python programming language. This is a collection of key value pairs, and these key value pairs are separated by comma and enclosed within the curly braces. This is nothing but a dictionary. So what is a dictionary? A dictionary is one type of data structure in Python programming language, which is a collection of key value pairs, and these key value pairs are separated by comma and enclosed within the curly braces. And one of the most important properties of this dictionary is it is mutable in nature. Second property is it will not allow duplicates. So what is mutability? Mutable as in once the key value pair is created, it can be changed. But whereas in tuple, we cannot change once the element is created. So, as this is changeable, as this is mutable, there are some built-in functions which dictionary support, and I'm going to list them one by one. First one is nothing but the clear built-in function. Second is copy. Third, from keys. Fourth, get. Fifth, items. Sixth, keys. Seventh, pop. Eighth, pop items. Ninth, set default. 10th, update. These are the 10 different built-in functions which dictionaries support. First, coming to clear. What does this clear built-in function do? This clear built-in function is used to clear or delete all the key value pairs present in a dictionary. This is the clear function. So what exactly it does is it will clear or remove all the key value pairs present in the dictionary. Let us consider I have created dictionary dict1, which is having key as name, and value as Rohit, and one more key which is age, which is having a value of 18, and another key which is course, which is nothing but data science. This is the dictionary which I have created. So when I try to perform a clear function on top of this dict1 dot clear, then each and every key value where present in this particular dictionary will be removed, and it will return. When I try to access this particular dictionary dict1, it is going to return a empty dictionary. Second function is nothing but the copy function. This copy function, whenever we use this particular copy function, it will return the shallow copy of the dictionary. As we have studied about this copy function in my previous videos also, this copy function is basically divided into two. One is the shallow copy and another one is nothing but the deep copy. So what exactly does shallow copy do? Let us consider we have created a dictionary. First one dictionary and another dictionary also we have created. Let us consider we have created one dictionary, and in the dictionary using the dictionary we have made another copy of the same dictionary using a copy function. So whenever a change is made, to the original dictionary, that particular change will get reflected in the copied dictionary also. That is what shallow copy does. So what does shallow copy mean? Shallow copy is basically returns a data structure. It may be list, it may be tuple, it can be anything. It returns a data structure in which any changes made to the original dictionary will get reflected in the copied version of dict. This is what a shallow copy does. So whenever we use this particular copy function, it will return a shallow copy of that particular dictionary. Next, coming to third, from keys. So from keys, what is this function going to do? Whenever we are going to use this function, it is going to return a dictionary where it is going to return a dictionary with all the key value pairs. For example, there will be some dictionaries wherein we only specify the keys. We do not specify, for example, we do not specify the values. For example, if I specified a dictionary dict1 wherein I have specified only the keys, key 1, key 2, key 3, that's it. If I specify like this, when I try to access this particular dictionary, for this each and every key that is here present here, that is key 1, key 2 and key 3, the value will be given as none. So whenever I use from keys, it is going to return a key value pair if it is having if each and every key is having a value. Else it is going to return a key value pair where each and every key will be having a same value, that is none. That is what from keys is going to do. Next, get. What does this get function do? It is going to return the value of a specific key. For example, in the above example, I have created a dict1 where I have created the key value pairs as name, which is Rohit, age 18, and course data science. When I try to do this, for example, if I use a get function dict1 dot get of, I want the value of, for example, name. Whenever I specify name, the output is going to be Rohit in the form of a string. So this is what get function. So get function is going to return the value of the specified key which is being passed as an argument to the get function. Next, fifth, items. Items. It is going to return the entire dictionary as a list of tuples. For example, when if I use dict1 dot items on top of this dictionary, then it is going to return as name Rohit, comma, again age 18, comma, course data science. This is how it is going to return a list of dictionaries. So items is going to return a list of dictionaries. It is going to return the entire dictionary as a list of tuples. Sixth, next coming to keys. This function is going to return all the keys present inside a dictionary. Keys inside a dictionary. So it is going to return name, age, and course when I use this particular keys function. Seventh, pop function. So in list and tuple, we use pop function. This pop function, what it is going to do in that particular data structure is it is going to return the element which is being deleted from the list. But whereas here it is going to return the value of that particular key which is removed, which is popped. So here in pop we are going to pass one argument, that is nothing but the key. If we pass pop dict1 dot pop of, for example, name, then it is going to remove this particular key value, that is name and Rohit, and whenever we try to access this particular dict1, it is going to have age and age 18 and course data science as its dictionary with key value pairs. Next, eighth, pop items. This is going to return the dictionary. Sorry, it is not going. It is going to return the dictionary after removing the last key value pair. So whenever I'm going to use dict1 dot pop items, then it is going to remove course, the key course, and the value data science, and it is going to return the dictionary with the key name Rohit, with the key name value Rohit and another key value pair with key age and value 18. It is going to remove the last key value pair present inside a dictionary. 9. Set default. Set default as in, uh, for example, whenever when I explained about the from keys function, hey, whenever we are giving only the keys and we are not specifying the values, it is going to consider none as its own. For example, let us consider we have created a dictionary which is having 3 keys, and out of 3 keys, we have 2 keys are having values and 1 key is not having value. And if we want to set for the set the value for that particular key as a default one, anything as a default, then we use that particular set default. So this function is used to set a value as a default to the particular key in a dictionary. This is set default. Next, update. So update, when we use update is whenever we want to update a value of a key, then in that case we are basically using update function. It updates the value of a key present inside a dictionary, and to this update function we are going to pass one argument that is nothing but the key. So update function is used to update the value of a key. For example, in dict1 we are having 3 key value pairs. One is name Rohit, second is age 18, third is course data science. For example, if I want to update the value of the key course from data science to computer science, then in that case dict1 dot update of dict1 dot update of uh, course which is equal to computer science. So whenever when I again I try to if I try to print the dictionary, then the course will be changed from data science to computer science, and this can be done without using update also. If I want to change dict1 that is of course, then I can specify that particular key in the within the square brackets and the value which and the new value which I want, that is computer science. Then in this case it is going to change the value of this particular key course to computer science from data science. These are the different built-in functions present in dictionaries. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the bell icon for more notifications and videos. If you have any doubts in this video or my previous video, please feel free to reach out to me on my email address which is given in the description of this particular video. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.